Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing something super useful for your cleaning toolkit, the Truwelby Compressed Air Duster. Whether you're into tech, plants, or just like to keep things dust-free, you'll want to see this in action. Let's get straight into the unboxing. The packaging is pretty sleek. Inside, we've got the air duster itself, a USB-C charging cable, and a couple of nozzle attachments for different uses. The first impression? It feels solid but lightweight, just 0.77 pounds and about 6 inches long, which makes it super portable. Okay, now let's power this on. Whoa, that's surprisingly powerful. It's rocking a 130,000 RPM brushless motor, delivering wind speeds up to 65 meters per second. Honestly, didn't expect this much thrust from such a small device. So I took it out to my balcony where I've got some plants and put it to the real test. Check this out. It's gentle enough to clean leaves without damaging them, but still strong enough to blow away stubborn dust and dirt. I was seriously impressed. One thing I really appreciate is the non-slip silicone handle. It's ergonomic, super grippy, and doesn't strain your hand even after extended use. Plus, it comes with 3 speed settings, and on low power, it can last up to 90 minutes. That's plenty of time for most tasks. To wrap it up, the Truwelby Air Duster is a small but mighty cleaning beast. Whether you're cleaning tech gear, your car, or even plant leaves like I did, this thing delivers. It's powerful, lightweight, and rechargeable. Honestly, a solid alternative to those wasteful canned dusters. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let me know in the comments.